Question number 46. Which of the following animals had a stable body temperature? A, frog, B, snake, C, eagle, D, turtle. It is not a new question, by the way. And of course, the only organism here that had a stable or a constant body temperature is the eagle. Why? Because eagle is a bird, and bird are considered endothermic, that or warm-blooded, or they have constant or stable body temperature. Frog is an amphibian. Okay, a snake is a reptile, turtle is a reptile, and all of them are cold-blooded or ectotherm. They change their body temperature according to the temperature of the environment. So no one of them is the correct answer.